Today, we will be making homemade barbecue sauce. It has a smoky, savory, and sweet taste. We will be serving the barbecue sauce over baby back ribs, cooked in a slow cooker. Apple cider vinegar adds a bit of tartness to the sauce, and it also helps to tenderize the meat as it cooks. Lemon juice adds a bright, citrusy flavor. If you like garlic, you will want to enhance the garlicky flavor, so I use fresh squeezed garlic cloves as well as garlic powder. If this is a bit too much garlic for your taste, use only the fresh squeezed garlic cloves. Simmering the sauce on a low heat for 20 minutes will give the sauce its nice, thick consistency. Sprinkle salt and black pepper on both sides before cooking. Place in a slow cooker. Cooking the ribs in a slow cooker makes them tender and they will fall off the bone when fully cooked. Baste both sides. After 7 hours. After basting each side with the barbecue sauce, place the ribs in an oven and broil on low, cooking on both sides for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Mangia. This sauce is tasty. You will want to use it in other dishes. Turkey sliders served with homemade veggie slaw. And turkey burgers. It is also great used on meatloaf wrapped in bacon.